Most people think the biggest cost of owning a home is the mortgage payment. In 2026, that may no longer be true. Tonight on the Joe Luca Real Estate Show on WNRI.com, we're going to be talking about the hidden financial risks of home ownership that many buyers and homeowners never see coming until it's too late. Insurance costs are rising, property taxes are changing, maintenance expenses are exploding, and many homeowners are unknowingly putting their financial future at risk. But here's the good news. There are smart ways to protect yourself, and tonight on the show, we're going to talk about them. Hi, I'm Joe Luca Realtor, and every week on the Joe Luca Real Estate Show, we help consumers make smarter decisions when it comes to buying, selling, financing, and protecting real estate. If you own a home, want to buy a home, or may need to sell in the next few years, tonight's show could save you thousands of dollars and a tremendous amount of stress. Insurance shock. One of the biggest surprises homeowners are experiencing right now is insurance across the country. And even here in Rhode Island and Massachusetts, insurance premiums have been increasing dramatically. Why? Because replacement costs are higher. Weather-related claims are higher. Construction labor is higher. And insurance companies are becoming much more selective. Many homeowners are discovering that a house they could comfortably afford 3 years ago suddenly costs hundreds, sometimes thousands more per year to insure. The maintenance trap, this is another big one. And another hidden risk is deferred maintenance. A small roof leak becomes a $25,000 repair. A neglected tree becomes a liability issue. Old electrical systems can affect insurability, and outdated heating systems, yes, can scare away buyers. And here's what people don't realize. The market is becoming less forgiving. Today's buyers are extremely payment sensitive because of higher interest rates. That means homes with visible maintenance issues are often getting discounted much more aggressively than they were during the ultra-hot pandemic market. Next, property taxes and affordability. We also have a lot to talk about. Even though Rhode Island remains a strong housing market with limited inventory, many buyers are feeling pressure from higher taxes, the higher insurance costs, as mentioned, higher utility bills, and of course, higher interest rates. That means homeowners need to think strategically. It's no longer enough to ask, can I afford the mortgage? The better question is, can I comfortably afford the total cost of home ownership over the next 5 to 10 years? Now, let's be very clear. I still strongly believe in home ownership. Real estate remains one of the best long-term wealth-building tools available to ordinary Americans. In fact, many homeowners in Rhode Island have built substantial equity over the past several years. So the goal isn't fear, the goal is preparation. Smart homeowners plan ahead. They maintain their properties. They review insurance coverages. They understand local market conditions, and they make informed decisions instead of emotional decisions. If you'd like to learn more, tune in tonight to the Joe Luca Real Estate Show at 6:05 Eastern Time, because we're going to go much deeper into hidden homeowner expenses, protecting property values, market trends in Rhode Island, insurance concerns, and practical strategies homeowners can use right now. Listen in tonight, 6 o'clock on WNRI, WNRI.com at 6 p.m., also 99.9 FM and 1380 AM. And if you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rhode Island Real Estate with Joe Luca. That's the place where we focus on helping consumers make smarter real estate decisions. I'm Joe Luca, Realtor, and I'll see you tonight. Take care. Bye-bye.